Now, if you're worried about Alzheimer's, you have a family history, get the vitamin B6. There's a great one called Rodex Forte. Love it. It's the best one on the market. Phosphatidyleserine for you. The vitamin C is a great one because vitamin C can help with a 78% reduction in Alzheimer's dementia, and take that with vitamin E. And drink green tea because that enhances memory. If you're depressed, take 5-HTP, 50 to 100 milligrams a day. Don't take it if you're already taking an antidepressant. We have to wean off first, but I can help you with that. If you want to call me, I can tell you what experts say. And according to studies, 6 weeks of DHEA can improve midlife depression. Take fish oils. Fish oils, fish oils, fish oils. They have a positive effect on your memory and depression. Be sure you get a reputable brand because some inferior brands, they found some heavy metals in there. So let's make it easy. You don't need to start with everything. I know you want that younger brain. So pick your symptom and choose the best product. Memory help? Help, where's my purse? Where's my wallet? Phosphatidyleserine. The pure depression, 5-HTP or SAMe. Pure anxiety, the GABA, which I like the Zen Mind, and Nucera, a product that gives you quick calmness when you're in a very anxious situation. Anxiety, depression, there's 3 types. If you're stuck on fearful, obsessive thoughts, get your 5-HTP. If you have temper outbursts and decreased memory, get your Zen Mind with the GABA, and also jack up your protein every day. If you have mood instability and low energy and trouble thinking and you feel in a fog, SAMe. We already said if you're worried about dementia and Alzheimer's, Phosphatidyleserine. And exercise, because exercise can build bigger brain. But exercise that brain. Do some crossword puzzles or a hobby or needlepoint or something that makes you concentrate. I love crossword puzzles. And get your sleep. The brain has a self-cleaning function and it happens in the night. So if you can't sleep, you're going to call me. So there you go. Build a bigger, better brain, and you start today. And if you want, I have this all written down in a pamphlet, and all you have to do is ask. I want you to be the younger you for the rest of your life.